I'm doing the turkey soup recipe. So basically, I have the leftover turkey from Christmas, and I need to use that up. I got some carrots, onions right there, and then I'm gonna put in the chicken broth, and I'm gonna super season it, add more stuff to it, and I'm gonna add some rice to it as well, make it a little bit thicker. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. Gotta prep everything up. All right, guys. So as you can see, the turkey's all. I'm gonna peel the turkey, put it in there. I got my chicken broth ready. I've added some seasoning, like these Clubhouse ones I got. See, fine herbs. They're all in there. So I'm gonna get it all together, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of rice to it, and some grains to make it thick. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, so I tore all the turkey in there. There's not enough broth, so I'm going to add another container of broth, and then I'll add another onion to it, and then add more seasoning. So I actually had more meat than I thought, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, it's all ready to go now. I put a bag of pure grains in here, and pure grains are that basically the, I did a review of this here, the pure grains. So I put a bag of those in there to give it the grain. And a lot of it is just chicken, the turkey, corn, seasoning, and yeah, we're ready to go, guys. So I'm going to cook this on the soup setting, and yeah, that's it. I'll be right back, and I'll do a quick taste test when it's ready. Alright, guys, so here is the turkey soup, and let's do a quick taste test. Good flavor. Yeah, it's really good, guys. Really good flavor. It's like a really good different levels found in that taste. It's got a really good deep taste of the turkey, and then you got the seasoning that goes with it. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please below. Subscribe to the channel.